So this is the onekey classic wallet, Kaspa edition. I bought this one like 3 years ago when Kaspa was only like 1 cent. Onekey was the first one to storage Kaspa, the first cold wallet, and they make this one. I paid like $90 for this one, and I never opened it. But now I'm going to open it because I need to storage some crypto in onekey, and also I'm going to put some Kaspa. So yeah, this one was the first, cold wallet from Kaspa, basically. Now there are a few more wallets like Tangent that they make some editions with Kaspa, right? But this one was the first one. Right now, maybe they only make like 250 wallets of these ones. I don't know exactly. They don't say, but I think that could be the how many they make, 250. Because when they make another editions, they make like 250. Also, if you want to buy one of these ones, it's not possible because there's no one selling it. There's only one person in eBay selling it at $500, but I don't know. Maybe, yeah, it's nice if you keep it and wait maybe 10 years. Imagine how much this could worth. Also, if you're a true believer on Kaspa, this is gold. Once we take it out, it looks like this. It doesn't look like if it's a Kaspa edition, but right here it says. So, but yes, it just looks like the regular box when you buy a onekey classic wallet. It has plastic, so I'm going to take it out and show you guys. Okay, I already removed the plastic and open it, and look. Look at this. The Kaspa edition. I thought it was going to be black because I saw some pictures that it could be like this, or maybe like whole black and just say Kaspa right here and blue right here. But wow, I really like it. It's all blue, like sky blue. Damn. Imagine the worth of this one. Right now they are selling it at 500, and in a few years, imagine how much it could be, how much it could worth. It's nice. It's whole blue. I like it. I thought it was going to be black and just say it's Kaspa right here. No, it's nice. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, let me put it right here. And yeah, they have basically all the information right here. The Type-C cable. What else? Oh, yes, right here. All the info. Look at this. Wow. Classic. Let's go. Info and yes. Hardware wallet get started. Let me see what is here. Wait. Oh yeah, some stickers. Look. Some stickers from onekey. Very nice. I didn't know that it was very nice look. Look. Let me open it. And here is it. Wow, it looks so pretty, to be honest, all blue. And look in the back, look. Kaspa edition. Well, I thought it was going to be all black, like right here in the front, all black, and just like a tag like right here that says Kaspa. Because I saw a picture that is like all black and it says Kaspa, and I also saw this one. I don't know if they are two editions or what, but yeah, I was looking for this one, the blue one. And it really looks so good. I don't know if in the camera it looks, but in personal, damn, it's the prettiest wallet I ever had, to be honest. Then I want to keep it always. Look, the first edition of Kaspa. I mean, the first cold wallet edition from Kaspa. It's right here. Right. Let's show it like right here. Yeah, it's nice. It's exactly the size. Look. Yeah.